Meaning of food web.
Food web.
Food web.
Food web.
Food web. A food web is a complex interconnection of food chains within an ecosystem that shows how living things depend on each other for survival. It consists of many different producers, consumers and decomposers that interact with one another to form a network of feeding relationships. Producers, like plants, create the basis of the food web by converting energy from the sun into food. Herbivores then eat the producers, while carnivores eat herbivores, and so on. The food web helps to maintain balance and stability within the ecosystem, allowing it to function properly.